Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Today's video is actually going to be an unboxing video. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing of the BoxyCharm box. And I also want to share with you all another free product that I had got from Influencer. So this is my BoxyCharm box right here. And as you can see, it says Summer's Eve. And the reason why it says Summer's Eve is because I did a Summer's Eve campaign with Influencer. If you don't know, Influencer is where I get most of my free products from and stuff like that. So they sent me a campaign to complete. And basically what it was to show that I purchased 2 Summer's Eve products, any 2, and to take a picture of their receipt and to upload it onto the Summer's Eve BoxyCharm site. And that's what I did, and they accepted my application and all of that stuff, and then they sent me this BoxyCharm box for free. Now I did post this on my Instagram, I posted it on my Twitter I believe, and I posted it on Facebook, and I had to post those on my social media sites in order to complete my campaign. So I also got another free product that I'm actually going to be reviewing soon and posting on my Instagram really soon as well, which is the L'Oreal Paris Unbelievable Brow Longwear Brow Gel. And this is a new product. So this is the first thing that I got from Influencer, and like I said, this is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Gel, and this is just what they sent me. They sent me how to apply the product, so this is pretty much what it is. And then this is the product right here. I have opened it up, but I haven't used it. So this is how it looks, and let me see, what color is this in? It is in the dark brunette color. So I'm just gonna open it up so I can show you guys how it looks. But this is the brow gel, and as you can see from on the box, it does say that it lasts up to 48 hours. It's waterproof, no smudge, no transfer, and it's sweat resistant. So it also comes with a eyebrow duo brush, so it has the brush right here and then the angled brush at the end. And so there's that. Now to the BoxyCharm box that I have been patiently waiting for. I didn't expect it to come today. I thought it was gonna come like maybe 2 weeks from now, but I got it, and it actually feels pretty full. This is actually my first time receiving a BoxyCharm box, and I didn't pay for it because I got it free. I don't know what products are in here. This is how people on ASMRs be doing. They be like this. I'm just gonna take a pair of scissors and open this up. First I'm gonna take a sip of my apple juice because it's a little toasty in here. So hopefully you all can see that. I'm about to open it up. And this is what it looks like first. So it just has this card, and it says, BoxyCharm, isn't it about time beauty products came to you? And then it says, our guarantee, always brand name, always over $100 value, and never sample size. If you want to subscribe to a BoxyCharm box, it is $21 a month, and all the products are full size. And then this is a little coupon. It's $1 off any 2 Summer's Eve products. So this is what it's looking like on the inside. Oh wow, I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so the first product that I got is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. So this is it right here, and I'm actually gonna open it up. It is in the color Bow and Arrow, so it might be like a nude color just by looking at the tab right here. So I'm going to open this up. Oh, okay, so yeah, this is my first ever Kat Von D product. This is the color. Oh my god, this is really pretty because you all know I love nude color lipsticks, especially like browns. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear this. The next product is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've been needing some more mascara because actually, to be honest, my mascara I have are all dried out and I just been trying to make it work. But this is this right here. So I'm trying to see, is it Cosmetics? It's Cosmetics Superhero, and this is a mascara. So let's just open it up and see how this looks. So it looks like this. It has a nice little unique shape to it, and then the mascara brush looks like this. So the next product is, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but it is a Hava Elemental Beauty from the Dead Sea. It's Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. So I got a hand cream. I never heard of this brand before, but this would be really nice to like put in my purse or something. The next product in my BoxyCharm box is a, I don't know how to pronounce this brand either. Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It is a strength and moisture leave-in mask. So I'm assuming, yeah, this is for your hair. So I guess it's supposed to be a leave-in conditioner or something like that. Okay, and the last product that I got in my box, which I'm actually excited about because I think it's an eyeshadow palette. It's a face palette actually. It is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, the Per Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And these are all of the colors that are on the back. So it has some eyeshadows in here and also some blushes too. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So this is the packaging and this is the back of it. This is so pretty. The colors are really pretty too. And these are what they're looking like. So these are the blushes and these are the eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, this is really, these are some really pretty colors, especially this purple, the disguise, and the mask off color. And then this is a really pretty blush. I love these two blushes right here and these two eyeshadows. This blue is really pretty also. So I got a total of 5 full-size products, which is really, really exciting because it's a value of $100, and I did not have to pay for anything. I did not pay for this box or anything, thanks to Influencer and myself. Hopefully you enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing video, and if you did, then maybe you can sign up for a subscription box and be on the lookout for more free product deals like this, because I post stuff like this to my page all the time. So just be on the lookout. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and if you want to be an influencer and sign up for Influencer, check the description box and sign up with my referral link. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.